Hey, if you've got a 2011, 2012-ish or so Hyundai Santa Fe, and your transmission is making kind of whirling noises, kind of whining a little bit, and you can feel it and hear it coming up from your stick shift, it might do you good to add a little bit of transmission fluid. It works for me. I find that I have to add about a quarter cup, just between a quarter cup and a half cup, every couple of months. It's pretty easy to do. I'm going to show you how to do it. Right underneath your battery here, about 6 inches down, you'll see a screwy thing, and it looks like this. And it's about 6 inches under your battery and just over from your radiator hose clamp. If you look down there, you'll see a screw that looks like this. It's very difficult to get a wrench down there to go around that, but what I found is that either your socket wrench without a socket on it fits right into that hole just perfectly. So go down there and take that out, get yourself a long funnel, and put about a quarter inch, not a quarter inch, or a quarter cup or so of transmission fluid, automatic transmission fluid, of course, and try that out. Now, here's the thing. It doesn't work instantly. For some reason, it takes a long time. Not a long time. It takes a bunch of drives to work that fluid down into the transmission. I think the lines in there are very thin. But go ahead and shift your gears around for a few times, from reverse to neutral to park and drive and whatnot. Take it around the block, and you'll notice that it doesn't work right away, but it takes a few miles of driving, and it'll slowly work its way in. And if you don't hear it the same day, you'll definitely hear an improvement the next day. So I hope that works for you. Try it out. Let me know if it works or not. Thanks. One other helpful tip. I use a cup to pour it into the funnel. The important thing is make sure that you pour it at a trickle, like a very thin stream. Take your time with it, because that little container, that little receptacle that takes the transmission fluid, takes it very slow and it'll overflow very fast. So just pour it in at a trickle and you'll be good to go. All right.